Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be inspecting the front brake pads of my some T1 Wolf 125. You can use this guide to basically replace your front brake pads as well, depending on the way of your pads. What's currently holding the brake caliper to the brake disc are these two bolts. So as you can see, my two bolts currently look different. So basically the previous owner stripped this lower bolt, and I had to get this replaced. The dealers currently, local dealers currently couldn't source me a bolt. So what I had to do is get one made up by basically buying a high tensile steel bolt and cutting machining off the lower threads. As you can see, this is a sample bolt of what I've done. Okay, so I have basically pre-broken out this bolts, I've loosened it up, so mine will come off basically much more easier than yours. As you can see, this is the original bolt. To remove the brake caliper, just push it to the back, and that's it. So what you want to do is just to take off some strain or tension from the brake line. We basically just want to get a piece of wire and just try and hook it up somewhere. So if you have something there, you can just basically hook it up around the shock like that. Okay. So these are the brake pads. So what I want to do is to remove these, just pop it around to the side, and then it will come loose. So looking at my pads, looks quite decent. So this is what they use for the wear indicator. So the pads basically reach the bottom of this wear indicator. This one needs to be replaced. Pop it back in, bottom down, and slide to the top. Same way to the back. So basically how I'm taking it out is pushing it to the back and then pulling it up. Same thing over here. To reinsert. So basically I'm doing this motion to reinsert it. Okay, and then pop the caliper back on. Next thing we're going to do is just pop the bolts back on. And then tighten them down to your manufacturer's torque settings. And that's it for today, guys.